No problem, no? Inaugural day, okay.
GPS signal lost.
ഉച്ചനേര ചോറ് കഴിക്കാൻ വന്നു. ലഞ്ച് ടൈം. സിദ്ധി സിദ്ധി Dear friends, at last we are here inside the Carry 4. You are seeing here a Tom and Jerry stall, which is meant for kids to playground. We can say it as a playground, and that's a big lobby has been kept it here for the people to come here and enjoy the particular day. It's a well set Carry 4, one of the biggest Carry 4 of their branch, which is kept it here. And there is a music going to play here in the evening. I will just ask them what time the music starts, sir? Is there any function happening here today? What time? 1:30. So it's about 1:30. The music show will be arranged here, and those people who wanted to come here and can come here and enjoy the evening. And it will be March 9th. You can see the day which is open here until March 9th to April 9th. There is Cheese Town Tom and Jerry, something which is connected to that. I don't know exactly, so I'll have to look into it. And there is a contest also happening here. And yeah, here comes a beautiful studio which has been arranged in such a way that anybody would like to come and see the visual communication of navigation tools in visual communication. Amazon, everything has been arranged here. This way navigation tools is visual communication. So you can see the beautiful walls where it is arranged with such a beautiful pictures. Everything has been arranged here in such a great look. I'm not able to cover entire thing. I'm just taking it. I don't know how far it will be there. So for the time being, I'm just cutting it down, and I will join with particular photos very soon. So here we are seeing again some great paintings and the beauty of desert of UAE has been given here in such a particular paintings, drawings has been given here. So it looks so beautiful. Anyone would love to see. Those who are into this line of painting will definitely like this particular photos which is arranged here in such a way anybody would like to see. Thanks a lot, dears. So I request all of you just to come over here and take a look the beautiful moment which you can spend it here. The music show will be starting by 1:30 of today and 9th March 2021. Thanks a lot for your time.